Good PM. Ngayon po ay Saturday, June 15, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Saturday, June 15, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong June 15, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasa para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, June 15, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 40.5 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 53 million pesos for Saturday, June 15, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, June 15, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.